Congratulations, you have crossed the final milestone. You have completed this entire course. You should be proud of yourself because out of all the people who enroll in the course, only 5% reach this point. So you are among the top 5% students of this course. After the next lecture, you will receive your certificate of completion in your registered email ID. If you do not find it there, you can download the certificate from here. And if this button is grayed out like it is grayed out right now, then you must have missed some lectures in between. You can check the missing lectures from this right panel. You can also manually mark lectures as complete from here. Once all the lectures have this tick mark in front of them, you will be able to download the certificate. If still you are not able to download the certificate, you can contact Udemy customer support for this technical issue. Also, I would like to request you to rate this course and write a review, because a review from a sincere student like you will motivate us and it will motivate other students to continue their learning. Once again, congratulations and keep up the good work.